Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a friend's birthday on Facebook, you've come to the right guide. Today, I'll walk you through a quick updated way to turn on notifications for birthdays so you'll get reminded exactly when your friend's special days arrive. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. You'll feel a little confidence boost as you see all the options that Facebook offers, but today we're focusing on birthdays, so stay with me. From the menu, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap that and then select Settings. The path might vary a bit depending on updates, but it's usually visible right here, waiting for you to customize your notification experience. Now, under Notifications, you'll see a list of notification categories. Find and tap Birthdays. This is where you decide how you want to be alerted when a friend has a birthday. Here's where you tailor your approach so you don't miss a moment. You'll see several options, including push, email, and SMS. To ensure you get timely reminders, toggle push on. This makes birthday alerts pop up on your device even when you're not actively using Facebook. If you want extra reassurance, enable email as well. This sends a separate reminder to your inbox so you have a backup notification in case you're away from your phone or push alerts are paused. If you still want the most thorough coverage, consider turning on SMS as well, provided you've set it up and your carrier supports it. With all three channels activated, you'll have a robust system that catches birthdays from multiple angles, so you never miss a friend's big day. A quick tip: if you ever change your mind, returning to the same birthday settings is easy. You can toggle any of the channels off individually without turning off the others. This makes it simple to adjust based on how you use your notifications day to day. That's it, 3 simple taps to ensure you stay connected to the moments that matter. Birthday wishes are a small but meaningful gesture, and with these settings in place, you'll be ready to celebrate your friends no matter where you are or what you're doing.